Hi families! A couple people asked where they can find the independent tasks that their children are supposed to finish after they leave a class meeting. And so I just wanted to go through the virtual classroom with you and show you any updates that have taken place. So the virtual classroom is still located at the top of our main post page. You can click on it and it will open right inside the team. And you should be able to check that it's the correct date for the new week. So September 14th through 18th, this is our new week. Have put the slides all in order. So when your child is working through the day, you can actually just go through the slides one at a time and it'll take you through each activity. So for example, the first thing in our day is our language arts meeting. Right now we're working on Unit 1 and we have entered our second week of Unit 1. And so it says right here 9:45 to 10:45 because this is the meeting that we are all in together during that time. And you'll notice that that meeting is getting a little bit longer because we have more to cover. So I added this little blurb up here. The slides below go with our language arts unit. New slides will be updated on weeks 1 through 3 of each unit. We start these tasks together each day, and then students need to complete anything they don't finish on their own. So Unit 1 week 1 slides were last week, and then this is this upcoming week, Unit 1 week 2. So all together, we are working on these slides, which I'll click on in just a minute. And then when your child leaves the meeting, they're moving on to this part. So this says 10:45 to 11:30 daily independent work time, their tasks. The very first thing says finish the writing task we started in our whole group meeting. So if your child leaves the meeting and they don't know what to do, what you should do is you go back up to this slide and you click on this week's slides. When I click on them, it shows the activities that we are doing together each day. Benchmark Advance is our language arts program that we use at Polikitas and within the entire district. So I went ahead and added the date with each one to hopefully get rid of any confusion. So day 1, Monday 9:14, it starts off with the things that we are doing all together in our group meeting. And then the last task for every day is this write task. It says right here, write. So we will start this task together. I'll go over it with your child. I will often make a sample for the kids. And then the students, many of them last week stayed with me and did whatever the right task was each day. However, if we run out of time, then your child needs to finish this independently. So if your child leaves the meeting, they don't know what to do, you're not sure what to do, check the slides, scroll down to that day, and then check what the writing task is. So you'll see the same thing for Tuesday. We're doing this together, we're doing this together, we're starting this together, and then if your child doesn't finish, this is what they need to complete independently. And it's the same all week. Next week, you will see on Thursday something slightly different. We'll be taking a test on this day. So I just wrote that in here so you know what's going on, but it still says when they finish the test that they should continue to work on their story that they're working on the rest of the week. So hopefully that clears up that piece. Let me go back to our virtual classroom. All right, so whole group meeting, then they do their independent tasks. If you don't know where to find this, remember, or you don't know what the task is, you go back up and check the slides to see what we did together. And then as you continue to scroll down, it just goes through the day. Or yeah, so next is science, and it says science is 11:30 to 12, and it tells you what your child needs to do in science each day. When it says live science lesson, that means that they are expected to join a meeting during that time. So you'll see on this upcoming week, Tuesday and Thursday, we're doing a live science lesson. All right, moving through the day, then next is lunch break. And then as you know, they join the math meeting at 1 o'clock. And then again, math independent tasks, 1:30 to 2:15. These are the 3 things your child does pretty much every day. Complete the assigned math lessons in the Envision workbook. Complete the online quick check in the Envision website. This is on lesson days specifically. So this upcoming week, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then by Friday, they should have completed about 5 lessons in Dreambox. The amount of time that that will take your child depends on your child. And then underneath that, it goes through the lessons we're doing each day. I tried to be super specific with the page numbers. This is a slight change from last week. So they have like Monday, you'll see your child needs to do page 93, page 95, and they can choose any two problems on 96. On Tuesday, they need to do page 99, page 101, and any two problems on 102. And then that's the same Wednesday. Thursday, they have a school city test, which I will tell them about, which is not being used for grades. And then Friday, it says math topic 2 quiz in teams. So that's where they're going to find that quiz, is in assignments and teams. And then join a class meeting for a math fun activity. And last but not least, the end of your child's day, they're supposed to finish with finishing any work from the day and then doing their flexible time tasks, so their special classes. And so all the links to that are here. And so again, just it says the time for each section of the day at the top of each slide. And the slides are in order for our day. I hope that's helpful.